na to ni. Okay, uy. Department of Health, Davao Center for Health Development, September 30. This is September 30 pa di ay 2025. To Miss Joanne O. Gomez, owner, the CEO of Golden Heart Medical Laboratory, ground floor, Fabi Building, Pelayo Street, Barangay 3A, District 1, 8000, Davao City. Woo! There, Miss Gomez. This refers to the initial inspection conducted in your facility as primary clinical laboratory last September 18, 2025. In this regard, we are pleased to inform that you have complied with the minimum requirements set by the Department of Health to operate as non-institution-based clinical laboratory. Oh my God! Primary in category. Effective September 29, 2025 to December of this year. OMG! Based on Administrative Order 2021-0037. This is the new rules. Dated June 11 of 2021. Also known as New Rules and Regulations Governing the Regulation of Clinical Laboratories in the Philippines. You may come to the office to get your license to operate. Kindly display the said license in a conspicuous place readily seen by the public. It is required that your facility be continuously compliant with all the rules and regulations governing the clinical laboratory. Truly yours, signed by the very, very highest of the DOA. And thank you so much for this! Woo!